We have an iPad Pro here. This iPad Pro needs a screen replacement. First of all, you are going to start by putting a little heat on the edges so that it will loosen the adhesive so that we can take the screen off easily. This part is very delicate, so you have to be really careful going through there so you don't damage any cables. When you're opening any iPhone or iPad for the first time, the adhesive is really strong, so it takes quite a lot of time, but we are almost done with this one. Okay, so we are done going around it. Now we have to disconnect the cables and take the screen out. You have to be very careful when opening this because the cables are connected right here. It's connected. Now we can fully open this so we can take out these other cables. And now we've taken the screen out. So now what we have to do is to get a new screen and then fix it back on this. We got this same iPad. So what we need to do here is to take this screen off and transfer it to this one. So let's do it. We need to start by putting a little heat on this one, just like we did to the first one, to loosen the adhesive so we can open it with ease. This takes a lot of time and patience, but no need to rush at all. Doing this, you should be extra careful because once again the screen is very expensive, and if there's any damage, I'm gonna have to replace it for the customer. So please give me a like and subscribe or follow this video. That will depend on where you see it. If you see it on TikTok, follow it. If you see it on YouTube, please subscribe. So we are almost done taking the screen off. This took a lot of time to take out, but finally we are finally inside and the screen is out. I don't know what kind of glue Apple uses, but it's so tough. Okay, so we need to be really careful because this comes with two cables, one that connects the Face ID and one that connects the screen and the touch sensor. So you need to be really careful when separating it. You don't have to take it out already. So we now have to slide the screen to this direction. Disconnected the Face ID. You have to take this cover up so that we can take off the cables. So the cover is out. Now the screen is out. We have to clean the screen, take off this Face ID cable and replace it with the Face ID of the old screen, which we've already taken out. This is because if you leave this Face ID on, it will not work on this board. It will tell you Face ID is disabled. The Face ID is having a connection with the board, so we have to put the old Face ID on this, so we have to take it off. Okay, so the Face ID is off, so we have to put this back on this one. But before that, we need to clean the screen and clean all these edges of the broken glasses so that we put it in. So we are going to clean it up with the alcohol, little one here. Okay, so we are done cleaning the edges, and now we need to fix the Face ID and then close it up. So let's put the front facing sensors back where it belongs. Okay, so I think I will need to support these edges with a bit of glue to make sure it stays firm. So we've gotten our glue. We have to put the screen back on. So now we connect the screen. Face ID connected. Now let's try it. So now let's check every other part to see if everything is working. Yes, it's okay. Checking the camera. So we now have to off it and close everything up. So we are now fixing the cable, so we have to once again on it and see if every cable is well fixed and if everything is okay before we finally close it up. Okay, so I think everything is working, and now we can glue it up and close it up. To this side first, then we put the glue all the way here. Then once we are done, we can do the same for the other side too. Okay, so putting the screen back on, slow and careful. So we are finally done fixing it, and it's all cleaned up here. Okay, so this was it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Please kindly subscribe to this channel and give me a thumbs up or your phone will break. See you in the next one. Bye.